What's up guys, Shelby here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel.
You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run, there's nothing to help.
If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome, please subscribe. I'm almost to 100 subscribers, woohoo, I'm getting so high up there. Not really, but on a real note, please subscribe. I really like doing YouTube videos, and the more subscribers I get, the more I can keep doing this, which it's something that I really love doing, so please subscribe if you haven't already. I make lots of different videos, from story times to fashion to health to beauty, lots of different things, so if you guys like those things, subscribe, because then you'll have someone to relate to. That someone is me. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video. The reason that I decided to film this video is because I have a lot of video ideas coming up this summer. I have a lot of ideas that mainly have to do around health and just how to get ready for summer and how to be healthy and just different things that I do to be healthy. And so I figured I would just kind of make this video to share with you guys a little bit of my health journey and why I started changing my lifestyle and doing different things to become a new person. So yeah, I'm gonna make this video really short. I'm just gonna try to get to the point, but since I do have those videos coming out in the future, I just wanted to make this so you guys kind of understand why I'm making those future videos. So yeah, last year in January of 2018, I was the highest weight that I had been in my entire life. I will insert a picture of me standing on the scale. Not that I can really prove that it's me, but it is. So I weighed 169.6 pounds last year. I'm a person that is a firm believer of weight is just a number. I don't believe that just because you weigh more or less than somebody means that you are more healthy or less healthy than that person. To me, weight has always just been a number. I've always looked at it as a number. I still just look at it as a number. Just because that was my weight on the scale did not mean that I all of a sudden felt like I had to lose weight or do something to way less than that number. The reason that I decided personally that I wanted to start losing weight and getting more healthy is because of three main reasons. I was always really tired. I wanted to have more energy, so I wanted to be less tired, and I wanted to feel better about myself. I just felt so insecure. I didn't really feel like I had to look a certain way to fit in. However, there were a lot of parts of me that just made me feel really insecure, and I knew that I could fix them, and so I just decided that I wanted to do that. The third reason is I wanted to just develop a healthier lifestyle that I could do throughout my future so that I could stay healthy while I'm young and as I get older. So those are kind of like the main reasons as to why I decided to change my lifestyle and start a health journey. Now, I don't like saying the word diet because I feel like when you tell people you're doing a diet, they automatically assume that it's going to be unhealthy for you and that you're cutting out things your body needs, blah 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 blah. I decided to make lifestyle changes that would help me while I'm young and as I get older, and they're permanent lifestyle changes, things that I want to continue to do from now until I basically can't do them anymore. So to me, it's not a diet, because even though I started eating different things than what I would eat normally throughout the day, there are things that I enjoyed, so I don't feel like I was ever restricting myself from anything, and I still don't feel like that today. So that's why I don't like to say diet, because to me it's not a diet. To me it's a healthy way of eating, and it's a way of eating that I can do forever, basically. So what I decided to do in not really January of 2018, but quite a few months after, I did lose about 10 pounds from the time of January to about November, and that was just by exercising and still eating pretty crap food. I never really ate healthy, and then I don't know what it was, but in November I just decided that I needed to start eating better for my body, because whatever I was eating and whatever I was doing wasn't really working for me. I was still tired, I didn't have that energy, and I just didn't feel confident. So in November, I decided to try something new. I realized that my diet consisted of a lot of carbs. Carbs and sugar were a big thing for me that I realized I ate all of the time, and I knew that you could replace carbs and sugars with different things like natural sweeteners or like vegetables and things like that, but I never wanted to try it because I thought for sure that I would be restricting myself from those carbs and those sugar and that I just wouldn't enjoy what I was eating. Thank goodness it turned out to be the complete opposite. So in November of 2018, I decided to cut out the majority of my carbs and the majority of my sugars. I think I read somewhere that the average person per day has around 200 carbohydrates, and so I decided to go for a little less than half of that. So I started keeping track of my carbohydrates, and I tried to go between 30 and 50 carbohydrates rather than that huge amount of 150 to 200 carbohydrates. So I began replacing my carbs with healthier carbs such as like vegetables, and I ate a lot of protein, lots of healthy fats, and I tried just not to eat sugar or carbs basically, and that really worked for me. I went to the gym about 3 to 5 times a week, and I still do that today. I'm still trying to do low carbs, low sugar, high protein, high vegetables, high fats, things like that, things I know are better for my body. Just because that worked for me doesn't mean it will work for everybody. In fact, I've known people that have done the same thing and it hasn't worked for them, and that is absolutely okay. That is just something that has worked for me. And I don't feel like I am restricting myself from anything. I started a healthier way of eating. I went to the gym and I began to feel better. I woke up with more energy. I went to sleep earlier. I woke up earlier. I was able to go to the gym in the mornings. I got my water in. I didn't feel like I was starving myself at all. I was eating 3 squared meals a day and snacks in between. And I'm still doing that, and it's been working for me great. It's taken me a while, guys. It's been a little over a year, but I am down 40 pounds and I feel so much better. Started my health journey, I was a size 8 and now I fit in a size 4. I'm at a healthy body fat percentage for my body. I'm at a healthy weight for my body. I just feel so much better. I don't really know what else to say. I feel like if anyone wants to try something to make themselves feel better, they should do it, but you can only do it for yourself, and you can only do it if you really truly want to do it. If you don't want to do it and you feel like you have to do something because other people are doing it, or because you feel like you need to look like an Instagram model or someone else out there that is not you, just remember that a lot of that stuff is not realistic. I am nowhere near looking like an Instagram model, but I am feeling more confident and more comfortable in my own skin every single day, and that was my ultimate goal from the beginning, and I am getting there more and more every single day. If you get to a point where you feel happy in your own skin, that is all that matters, because I know it's cheesy, but you can't love anybody else until you love yourself. I'm going to be making a lot more health and fitness videos. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any video ideas or requests, please comment them down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!